What?
Yo.
Yeah, I'm in the back of the parking lot on the pharmacy side. Where you at? All right, y'all. So it look like we about to sell it. Bro, y'all won't believe this is my first time losing my keys, bro. Didn't have the key to my apartment. I don't have the key to the Lexus. I don't have the key to the Infiniti. The only thing I had was a key to the truck. All right, y'all. It is gone, man. It's gone. So y'all see it, bro. It's gone. We hustle daily. What's going on, y'all? I think this one's about to go already. So I gotta make sure I got everything up out of here. Before I start it up. So yeah, y'all, we about to go ahead and seal this thing. I gotta make sure ain't nothing in this mug because it's about to go. You feel me? Which I do got my jump box in here, and we need to take that out. So we're about to go ahead and get ready to seal this. I gotta take my stuff out of here. So I probably gotta be back with y'all in a minute because I got a couple of things to take out of here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just throw this stuff in the back of the truck real quick. That's what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get back in the car. All right, guys, so we are on our way to possibly sell the well, no, not possibly, we about to sell this mug, the black car. We in the black Infiniti. I was not expecting to sell this today, but this is great. Boy needs some cash, so this is great. This is great. This is great. And then because we got that M37S, another one, I'm trying to see if I should keep buying these, but I mean, I'm about to make some decent money off this one. This is cool, and it's fast too. So I had the white one posted, but I posted this one way cheaper than I posted the black one, I mean the white one. So maybe that's why this one is selling faster, because I got less money in this one than I do the white one. It's the parts for the white one that brought that price up. We're gonna miss the light. Come on, y'all, bro. It's the price that got me so much into the white one to where I need more money out of it. You know what I'm saying? But I think I got everything cleaned up out of this thing. I should, man. He just called me and told me he was going to get himself together. He didn't call me and say, hey, I'm on the way, you know what I'm saying, which threw me off because I'm in the crib chilling. About to post this car in another state, as a matter of fact. I was about to do, and yeah, he called, so this is what's up. Yeah, so he right up the street, so I'm gonna meet him over here and see if he like it, and we'll be getting this thing sold, you know what I'm saying? But that'll be great because, like I say, tomorrow I will have time to possibly buy the one with the rims on there. I like that one with the rims on it, I ain't gonna lie. I do like that one, but we'll just see what happens, man. I know parts for that car is gonna be a lot rather, and I might be able to get a bumper for it for like, but Rich will have to paint it, which is, well, Rich will have to paint this one on the car because I would need this one blended. That white needs to be blended. We seen how the other white came out with the Lexus with that pearl in there. So this with that pearl in there, even though I think this car got less pearl in it, but it's still, it got to come out like a little yellowish, goldish, you know, not all the way white how the Lexus IS 350 came out when he painted the Lexus bumper off the car. Remember, it didn't blend because he painted it off the car. This one he would have to paint it on the car for sure, 100%. So it'd be good if I can just find a bumper for it. You never know, we may find the right bumper for it, the same color. So, and then we would need 2 headlights, because I did check in the trunk and there was no headlights in the trunk. So yeah, the front end probably got smashed or they got stolen from somewhere, you know what I'm saying? You never know, because them headlights definitely cost money. Those headlights probably gonna cost me $400 a piece for real, which is crazy. And you already $800 into the car with in parts already. Some of y'all be thinking like, well, just tack it on to the price of the car. Bro, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that, man. A whole extra $1,000 more into a car is like, in parts, it's like bad, bro. Unless you just got that car super cheap. If you got the car super cheap, depending on how much you got the car for. But man, to me, honestly, no matter what I got the car for, unless it's like a super cheap price where the car wasn't running or something like that, you bought an Inop and you was taking a chance and you bought a motor and a transmission or something like that, you bought the car for let's just say I bought one of these for $1,500 and it needed a motor and transmission. Now I don't know how much a motor and a transmission costs, but like, okay, and then you're 4,000, let's just say you put 3,000 in it, you know what I'm saying, so you 4,500. Okay, cool, something like that. But I mean, honestly, it'd probably be just better to find another one with a little bit higher miles and just buying it already running and driving. Like, I mean, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all get what I'm saying. But yeah, so that's just, yeah, so putting an extra $1,000 in the car is crazy. But we'll see what happened. It's sale tomorrow, so we about to see what happened, man. We about to see what happened, bro. So if y'all don't know what I'm talking about, make sure y'all go watch that video when I said I took the BMW M4 out for a drive on this beautiful day. I think that was the title of that video. BMW M4, 2024 BMW M4. That's the day, that's the video rather, that I went to go look at that that white, I probably need to get on the highway, freak, that white M37. Now I like that M37. I like them wheels on there, you know what I'm saying. I don't know if I would keep them. Y'all let me know if y'all know which car I'm talking about. Would y'all keep the factory wheels, or would y'all just keep the wheels, these wheels? Because those wheels was 22s. Y'all know the wheels that come on these is 20s. So, oh, I just cut you. Ooh, did I cut her? Yeah. But definitely riding big body is amazing. So I'm thinking about getting that one, and he got the 22s on it already, bro. That's joint hard, you feel me? And I think I would keep those wheels, those 22-inch wheels. I ain't gonna lie, like, why not? Even though I know, like, shit, even if either wheel break, let's just say if those aftermarket wheels, and you can't just crisscross them, that's the only thing, because they offset. But either way it go, if a wheel break or if a wheel mess up, I don't really be doing that much though, like crazy drive. I got on the wrong exit. This is crazy. Oh, I was supposed to be getting off. Oh my gosh, what a day. So we just got on the wrong, we just went the wrong way. So now I gotta kind of like eat the highway up a little bit. And this steering wheel, it's messed up. What are you gonna do? It's messed up because of that over there, which is 4-wheel active steering. So I was told that these rear wheels in the back, okay, at least it ain't no traffic coming back. These rear wheels in the back, and we in sport mode too. These rear wheels in the back tilt a little bit, kind of like how the new Mercedes do. That's what I was told. So this lane open. What are you doing? Why is he braking? This is crazy. Oh, he's trying to get over. Shit. Let me get over there. Alright, y'all. I'll see, we gotta eat the highway up a little bit, man. We went the wrong way. We gotta make a U-turn. Ooh, we got another red light here. You got another red light here. But anyways, like I was saying, what was I saying? Oh, 4-wheel active steering is that light. Now the light doesn't come on, so that light and the traction control light comes on, but ever since Rich cleared it with his code reader, it doesn't come on as soon as you crank the car. It's usually a stay on, but I think it stayed on this time when I cranked the car, but it'll usually just like stay on every time you crank the car until he cleared it. So when he cleared it, it stopped coming on every time I cranked the car. But that is the reason why this steering wheel is crooked. Now, I was told that there was like some type of monitor or something in the back, some type of machine or something, some type of little device or something, box or whatever the case is, that that's probably out, because the back wheels actually steer too. Now I don't know how steer as well. Now I don't know how true this is, but that's just what I was told, you feel me? So I'm not sure, I'm not positive about it, but that is the reason why our steering wheel is tilted this way. So an alignment won't even help us, because I'm not gonna lie, sometimes the steering wheel be straight. Sometimes I crank the car and the steering wheel be straight. It's weird. But let's see, this is the way, right? Yeah, let's see if we can eat this highway up real quick and get back on the road. So yeah, man, so yeah. So hopefully he like it, he buy it. Shit, I'm giving him a good deal for it, but honestly, man, either way it go, I'm gonna make money on the car. But I need to trying to, you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to like cap too much because I'm selling it so fast, but at the same time, I'm trying to get the most out of, you know what I'm saying, my deal, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna tell y'all all the time, selling the car is true. It'd be better than keeping the car, you know, because keeping the car, it ain't making no money. It's just sitting there. You driving it every day. Something else could go wrong with it. Remember that these are used cars, so you know, I don't be trying to just, you see what happened with the Lexus, the damn triangle, the red triangle just came on, and all I did was drive it, and it wasn't on at first, was never on, but now I drive it, and that's just something that's got nothing to do with nothing, you know what I'm saying, and it just came on. So I'm just telling y'all that just to say, used cars have problems, you know what I'm saying, and the more you drive that car that you're trying to sell, the more likely something bad is to happen. You know, I don't care where you're getting your car from. You get a new car from the dealership, should be happening. Oh, you know, it just don't matter. These are machines at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? So stuff happens. You know, but yep, we'll see what happens with this man and his car. But I think he's gonna buy it though. I think we good. I'm about to pull right up on him. He coming with that cash, man. I need that. I need that today. I need that today. You know what I'm saying? That way we can probably get our other Infiniti tomorrow. And that'll probably be the last one I buy, because I know y'all get tired of seeing the same car over and over again. But I kind of like that one for me. I ain't gonna lie. It's got that black interior with that white. That's how I want it. You feel me? That's how I want it. You feel me? Mine's is cool. My white one is cool, but I like that white with that black interior, bro. Straight up. I never really liked tan interior. That's why I like this one. And that probably is why this one's selling faster. People like that black on black. That black on black crime. You know what I'm saying? That black on black crime. Yep, I thought dude wasn't coming, bro. I thought dude definitely wasn't coming, because he hit me up. Hold on. That might be him texting me now. Hold on. I'm about to pull up on you, bro. I'm pulling up on you. I'm in sport mode trying to pull up on you. Feel me? I'm trying to pull right up on you like skirt. Feel me? I'm gonna pull right up on him. Y'all about to see me pull up on him. I promise y'all about to see it. But they'll get out my way. Yeah. Get out my way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Move. Get out my way. Get out my way. Get out my way. We about to pull up on him. It's my turn right here. We about to pull up on him. We about to pull up on him. We about to pull up on him. 4-wheel active. Gotta make sure I tell him about the 4-wheel active, because shit. Well, he gonna see this shit anyway. For real, for real. Come on, Mississippi. Let's go, Mississippi. Let's do this, Mississippi. Let's go, Mississippi. Mississippi riding slow. Let's do it. I don't know where they at. Y'all gotta ride, Mississippi. Alright, let me see what this man at. Let's see where he at. Tell him I'm in the back of the parking lot. Let's see where he at. Let me see. Hold on. Is his number right here? I think so. Alright, let me see where he at. What?
Yo.
Yeah, I'm in the back of the parking lot on the pharmacy side. Where you at?
Shit, I'm over here on the pharmacy side. I'm over here in the Black Tahoe.
Black Tahoe, so you a little further up, maybe?
Yeah, I'm going up there. Matter of fact, I'm on road 4.
Hold on. Oh, I see the Black Tahoe. I'm pulling up behind you. Alright. Alright, I'm right here. You see me? Yeah, there you go. Alright.
I see you right up.
Alright. Alright, so we about to see what happens, man. I don't know if he bought somebody with him or not, bro. But let me conduct this business. I don't see nobody with him, but this is bad. Alright, y'all. So it look like we about to sell it. So this gonna be y'all last time seeing this mug, man. So y'all see it. This was pretty fast. This is a fast. Well, we didn't even really have to rebuild this one, but this was a fast build. So we about to sell this mug right now. If I can get the damn, what you call it off. Okay, I got another. Yeah, I got some muscle. I got that muscle. Get my tag off. I got that muscle. So yeah, man, we about to go and sell this mug. You know what I'm saying? Put these screws back in here. Yep. So the black one is about to be gone, y'all. The black one is about to be gone, man. So y'all like that black, huh? They say they like that black, huh? So. Alright, we're about to do this paperwork real quick. I'm gonna have to call me an Uber back to the crib. And, yeah, man. Another one bites the dust. We might be... I was just showing them that other one, too, that I might be buying tomorrow. So, we might be buying that mug tomorrow, y'all. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We will see. So, let's do this paperwork. I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. It is gone, man. It's gone. So... y'all see it, bruh. It's gone, so I'm about to go in here and do some shopping real quick, and I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. But y'all see it, gone. I appreciate you, man. All right, y'all. So I'm about to go in here and do some shopping. We done got paid. I got my trash out of here. You know what I'm saying? So I should have got everything out the car. I gave him the damn lug nuts too, because them lug nuts. Remember the lug nuts the man gave me? I had to give him those and the key. You feel me? I forgot. I was gonna put them on, but I never got to put them on. So I'm gonna go up here and shop, do some quick shopping real quick, and see what we got when I come out. So I'm gonna catch y'all probably tomorrow or something. Honestly, I don't think I'm doing nothing else today. Red Honda Accord, red Honda Accord. Where you at? I see a red Camry. I see a red, damn, that's a red Solera. I'm looking for a red Honda Accord. Where you at? Let me see. What if that was the car that was picking me up? Hey, do sometimes they be like it be like the wrong cars picking you up? I think that happened to me like one time. Well, like they had another car registered, but it wasn't that right car. That was weird. Damn, I didn't even find him. I don't see him. Red Honda Accord Sport. I think it says Sport. Let me see. Damn, I'm dropping stuff. Oh, they not even here yet. I'm tripping. Dropping my gloves. Oh man. So they should be pulling up any minute. Then we gonna go to the crib. Man, I'm happy I sold that joint, boy. Y'all don't understand. I think the other one sell tomorrow. I need to check that. Hold on, let me check that. Got that Trackhawk. I think that's a Trackhawk. No, that's a SRT. It's nice.
En la diversidad de mercado que yo concentramos en una sola.
Bro, y'all won't believe this is my first time losing my keys, bro. Didn't have the key to my apartment. I don't have the key to the Lexus. I don't have the key to the Infiniti. The only thing I had was a key to the truck, because I never keep the truck ring with me because I don't drive it. So I'm in the truck, headed back up there, and hopefully we can find our key, bro. I know exactly where I was. So, bro, I'm just hoping, bro, that they got that key up there, bro, because if not, I gotta get a key program for the Lexus. I gotta get a key program for Infiniti, which will probably be a big chunk of my profit that we just got. So that's horrible, man, but I'm on my way back up there to the Walmart to see if my key is in fact in Walmart, bro. I don't even, last time I remember, I called the man to see if he had it in the car. I remember taking it off the ring, but bro, I don't know where them keys yet. It was on a big lanyard, big old lanyard. So I don't know, bro. Hopefully it's up here at this Walmart, man. I'm glad I had the key to the truck though, because let's see. She said she's seen 3 dudes on the highway trying to change one tire. They don't know how to do none these days. Oh man, dudes don't know how to do none these days. I hope y'all know how to change a tire, man. Your girl get a flat or whatever, you can help her out, bro. So I'm on my way back up here to Walmart. The guy, he hadn't even left yet, but he said they not in there, bro. Like, they probably not. They probably at Walmart. They gotta be at Walmart, bro. So I'm headed back up here to Walmart. I just hope we can find them, dog. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get to Walmart, bro. I am like trying to race in this big old truck. I had to move the truck. I never moved this truck without putting another car right there. Hopefully they don't take my parking space. I done had that parking space since I moved in there. I just been hogging it. But hopefully we can get in there and find a truck. I got a spare key to the crib, but I need that key, bro. I need them keys, because I need them keys, bro. Because that Infiniti key, that Lexus key, that joint probably about to cost me, you feel me? So I'm gonna see y'all when we get up here. I'm trying to hurry up and get up here so I can hurry up and, you know what I'm saying, get this key secured. But hopefully people at Walmart, you can't do nothing with no keys. I would hope they would, you know what I'm saying? I would hope, but you never know with people. But I'm gonna look outside first, because we were outside. And then I'm gonna go into where I was, 'cause I was in there on the phone for a good little minute on the phone. So we'll see, man. Hopefully we can find this joint. I just don't remember having that joint when I left the man. Like, I just don't remember ever having it after that. Like in Walmart, I don't remember having it in Walmart. But all right, that's enough talking, bro. It's a little traffic out here. Let's see. Y'all pray for me. Oh my gosh, we found him. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. We found him, y'all. Cause boy, sheesh, I was gonna have to get it. Infiniti key made, Lexus key made, little thing, get back in the gate, an apartment made. I was about to, boy, I'm glad I had the key to Jeepers Creepers, boy. Jeepers Creepers came in handy today. Well, Jeepers Creepers always coming in handy, but you never do no shit like that. I'm not irresponsible when it comes to no keys. Y'all see I have a big lanyard on there, so. And then let me hurry up and go get my parking space back for somebody trying me, because they know I done had that parking spot for ever since I've been in there. So yeah, man. Ooh, I'm glad I had, because I would have had to pay a $20 Uber, right? It keeps saying change engine oil. I gotta reset that. I changed the oil already. Because we both know I would have to pay shit. It cost me $20 to get home. I would have to pay $20 back. Then if I didn't find the key, well, even if I did find the key, so 20, another 40. You feel me? That joint adding up, boy. Unnecessarily too. So we got our key though, so I'm headed back to the crib, man. But boy, oh boy, if I hadn't found this key, boy, that would have ate up my profit good. What y'all think it cost to get a key made? $200 for the Lexus, $200 for the Infiniti? I don't know. We ain't never had to do it because the man came through. Or the man who owned the car came through. So I don't know how much it was gonna be. But that's what I was thinking, around, you know what I'm saying? Around this much, around that much. 200 and 200, if not more. You feel me? So, whoo-wee, we found our key. This is great. So, whew, I'm just so happy, y'all. Y'all don't understand, bro, because this key, it was hard to find. I'm gonna catch y'all later. All right, y'all. We done made it back home, man. Whew, I am so glad they got them keys, bro. Y'all don't understand, bro, because boy, that would have been some money. So I'm about to check on the Lexus. I'm about to check on the Infiniti. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, I gotta show y'all something about the Infiniti too that I noticed on the black car, and I gotta see if the white car do it. Hold on. We gotta see if the white car do it. Hold on. So y'all see the Infiniti. Let me show y'all the Lexus real quick. Hold on. Show y'all the Lexus real quick. I had moved the Lexus. I thought this car didn't do it, but it does do it. But I thought this car didn't do it, but it actually does do it. Cause y'all know this car, the lights, not the lights, the mirrors fold in too. So I didn't know that the mirrors fold in on the black car either. But so yeah, man, y'all see how clean this thing is. So this is what I'm probably gonna be driving. I haven't posted this car yet, so y'all see how clean that thing is. So I ain't even posted this car yet. They got the police in the neighborhood. I don't know what they got going on. They looking for somebody or something. What the hell? We got some crime over here. But man, look at that white thing, y'all. So y'all seen the one that we looked at the other day? Man, I ain't gonna lie. I would put those wheels on that car. We about to check that car out too, because I gotta see how much headlights gonna cost. You know what I'm saying? Now there's gotta be some, they say it's some with AFS or something. I don't know which one, because I don't know if these headlights move or whatever the case is, but they definitely need to be spiffied up. But let me show y'all this, bro. Y'all this. I did not look at it. This oh damn. See that interior, man. I don't know, man. That interior, bruh. That's that black. That black, bruh. That black, y'all. But look at this. Hold on. Look at this. I did not know this, bruh. Look. Bruh. Is this button right here? Bro, I did not know this car did this. Should I leave this car up here? I think so. We got a little gas in here. And like I was telling y'all, there we go. It's a 4, that light right there, that 4WAS, which is four wheel adaptive steering. I think that's what it is. And like I was telling y'all, it's supposed to mean that these wheels tilt a little bit. Now y'all know on the new cars, the Mercedes is doing that, but does these really tilt? Like, if so, that's crazy. I don't know. I will have to, can y'all see? I ain't gonna get up under there right now, but does that look like that tilt? Let me know in the comments below. It might. I don't know. We gotta Google it. Matter of fact, we're gonna go in there and Google it. We're gonna go in there and Google it, because I gotta go in here and see what's going on with these headlights too, because that's gonna determine how much we're gonna have to spend on that other Lexus that we plan on bidding this same car, this same color. So, because then we're gonna need a bumper and headlights. So let's check on all that. Bumper, headlights, and let's check on the 4WAS, just because I'm curious, even though I sold the car already. But I'm just curious. And he didn't even care about that, bro. Like, certain lights, certain little stuff like that, people don't even care about, man. I'm giving you a good deal, man. You better take this deal. So I see y'all in the crib. All right, so oops, I'm dropping stuff. All right, so let's see all these ads. So it says, let me make this bigger on my screen. There we go. 2011. Oh, I think they make that body style in 2011 too. And I haven't been able to take her home yet. I noticed the 4-wheel active steer. That's what it is. 4-wheel active steer. And
traction control lights were on at the same time while I was driving. So as a part of the deal I made to purchase the car, those items to be fixed. Fast forward today, I called a sales guy, and everything is fine except for what I came on again while bringing it back to the dealer. Now back it goes. Infiniti to fix. Have you guys dealt with this? If so, what was it end out becoming? I keep reading that the four-wheel active steering unit may need to be replaced. That's what I was told too. The four-wheel active steering unit may need to be replaced, and it looks like that's a $2,400 job. Whoa! It wouldn't cost me $2,400, and I am buying from is not going to be happy about, and that the dealer I'm about. Okay, I may be getting cold feet on buying this particular blah blah blah. Let's see. I forget which light is in particular, but if I recall, there's a particular combination of lights meant brake fluid is low or something crazy like that. Brake fluid was low. I didn't even check the brake fluid. I don't think. That's right. I know those. No, like what low brake. Oh, whoa, low brake fluid or pads. Wait, they saying those lights can be bad news. Okay, yikes. Thankfully written in the contract is for them to. They're pretty sure they had no. So nobody knows. I don't see. Do anybody have a solution for this? Let's see if we can find a solution. And ever since, like I say, Rich cleared it, it was coming on and going off. Damn. Tires low with air. This problem. Local dealership. Low tire pressure. Must be something to do with cold weather. My steering wheel is a little off. See? This is what I was telling y'all. Look. This time, let me read it. It looks like my four-wheel active stability control light issue popped its head again. Must be something to do with cold weather. This time it came with a little twist. My steering wheel is way off. I needed to turn it noticeably for the car to drive straight. After restarting, all went back to normal. Low lights and steering perfectly straight. Weird stuff. That's what I was telling y'all when I was driving the car, bro. The steering wheel fixed, right? It straightened up, and then it did, like, it was, sometimes it'll be straight, and then sometimes it'll be off. It was weird, so I knew I wasn't tripping. How cold was it? It could be the moisture in the sensor. Pretty cold as F. No ABS. I am hit with the exact same problem. I noticed that it started today. I accidentally hit my rear wheel against the curb. Oh, he actually didn't hit his rear wheel against the curb while turning right into the street. Believe me, I was pissed. I even scared my wife a little, who was with me at the time of the incident. I also noticed making a turn comes on. Yeah, when I first cranked the car up in the morning, like, or just period, first crank the car up, the light wouldn't be on. As soon as I get to start turning the steering wheel, the light will come on. It shows that a lot of things on the car could cause the light to come on. See, I ain't got time for all that. Check the alignment. That's probably why they totaled the car out. That light kept coming on. Don't nobody really know. This is crazy. So it seems like to me that don't nobody know what's going on with that four-wheel active stuff, and it could be really anything. That's why I was telling y'all I didn't want to dive into it, because that's just been more money in the car. I'm already seeing what people are willing to pay for this car. I keep getting kind of like the same offers. I'm kind of getting some disrespectful offers with $5K though, and I'm just telling them, like, bro, do you see any of these online for $5K? Like, let's be serious. But yeah, other than that, I'm pretty much seeing how much I'm getting offered for the vehicle. So I just feel like if I do buy this other Infiniti with the wheels on them with the 20, which we about to show y'all. Well, I showed y'all earlier today in the video, but I'm about to show y'all again. If I do buy this Infiniti with those 22-inch wheels, and I already got to put about another $1,200 to $1,500 in it because again, we about to check on some headlights. Matter of fact, no, we gotta actually check on some headlights. Hold up, because I don't really know how much the headlights is gonna cost. So, hold on, let me go ahead and do that, and let's see how much it's about to cost us for this headlight. Now we gotta buy 2 of them now. This is saying, oh my gosh, this is saying $1,700. Y'all see that on the right side? $1,700, 901, 800. So I'm talking, and it says ballast only. For y'all look at that 100 and be like, it's 100. Listen, if a '07 headlight cost me $200, imagine what a 1312 will cost me. You know what I'm saying? And I guess they show you the car here. Wait. No, it's not showing up. We're gonna have to switch it for y'all. Hold on. It's not showing up. It's not showing up. But basically, these are the cars right here on the right. They all saying $800, $1,000. This is sport model 175. That's Florida. I see one that say 400. Let's go 2013 Infiniti. Y'all spell Infiniti? INFINITIM 37 headlights. And I think some of them got like adaptive controls. So, oh my god. This is just for one. Now this is the AFS projector. See, I don't know which one I need. 2011 projector headlight. It don't say AFS on here though. This one say AFS. This one don't. So this is just for one. So for one, $800. But this one, okay, compatible with non-AFS. Ooh, so I need to find out, do I need AFS or not? I don't even know. But we can do, it would be, Alexa, what's 368 times 2?
368 times 2 is 736.
$700 for some freaking headlights. If it's non-AFS, and I don't even know if it's AFS or not. This one is, oh, and this is just the left driver's side. This is the passenger. Okay, so both of these are the same people look like. So it'd be, yep, so it'd be 700 and some, whatever Alexa just said. But what if it is with AFS without, ooh, what if it is with AFS? With AFS. $400 fits AFS. Okay. So this is the, let me click it. It is, oh, right. RH. What's RH? Right side? Right headlight? Right headlight. So passenger. Where the driver at? Passenger side with AFS. Damn, 500 with AFS. So I guess the first thing, here we go. Pre-owned. It says read. So we got something to say. We gotta read it. Projector, left driver, non-AFS. All right, so I gotta see. I gotta see how can I tell whether it's AFS or it's not AFS. Oh, look at this one, $100. Q70 factory headlight. Wait, what? Why is this one so cheap? Oh, it's cracked. It's cracked. All right. So we need to find out if I have an AFS or if I don't have AFS. A lot of people is hitting me up on a black one. A lot of people is not hitting me up on a white one. What's going on? But so that's what I need to find out. So let me see how can I find this out, because I don't even have the old headlights to, see. So yeah, hold on, guys. Okay, I found this video on YouTube, and it's about to go ahead and show us what AFS is. So we're gonna have to go back outside to see if my car actually does this, but I'm gonna have to wait until a little later on in the dark and see if the lights do it. All right, so let's go ahead and watch this video. So this is AFS.
Did
You seen that? I'm gonna rewind that again for y'all.
the vehicle?
So if my lights do that, then cool. Now let's show y'all what it do when he turns the steering wheel to the right.
You can see my beam walking, right? You can see the right side beam walking. States. You can see my beam walking, right? You can see the right side in the United.
So, we got to see if mine does this. My car, my white one is a 2012, and the one that I plan on bidding on is also a 2012. So, this is without AFS, right? Infiniti with. Okay, this is with AFS. And let me go back. So we'll be looking at without AFS, which will be these two. Non-AFS. So, well, this one and maybe this one it should be. So, again, $700 and something plus a bumper. I'm gonna go ahead and see how much a bumper is gonna cost. But that is what's going on. So I'm gonna see if my white car does it. If my white car doesn't do it, I'm pretty sure that this white one at the auction is not gonna do it, because I don't know. I'm hoping, you know what I'm saying? But you never know for sure. So I gotta wait until it get a little darker, and we gonna test it out. But let's go ahead and see if we can price this bumper real quick. Now this is not where I'll be getting the bumper from, but let me just price it. Okay, it's looking like it's gonna be way more than the bumper for the Lexus. See, the bumper for the Lexus cost me $150 aftermarket, and it's looking like this bumper. Now this is not where I'm going to be getting it from, but it's when I called where I got the bumper from, and then I looked on his website, it was about the same price. So for this, oh, we don't got fog lights either. So dang, I just thought about it, bro. We need fog lights. We need a grill. We might have to look on Facebook Marketplace. We might find some headlights on there too. I forgot to look on there, so let's go and look on there as well. But $250, and then Rich got to paint it. So you're looking at what was that? It was like $7. You might as well say $7, $8, $9. You might as well say $1,000 for Rich to paint it too. Shit, that's why I was saying, like, shit. We probably gonna be about $1,200, something like that, in a car. Ooh, man. All right, let's look on Facebook Marketplace, see what we can find. All right, we are on Facebook Marketplace now. Let's see what we have here. So this is that's for Q70. Dang, he's some more 350. We seen one for 250, so that's not gonna work. Q50. We need a Q70. Here we go. No, that ain't it. I don't know why I just didn't put parts. Look at this. Dude wants 67 for this joint, and they got 200,000 on it. Man, y'all can't say I don't be giving good deals. Customers should complain about nothing, bro. This look like a Copart car. I think that bumper messed up. Those seats look a little different, don't they? They just say tear right there. This bumper actually might be good. I might get this bumper for cheap, this one. I can hit them up. Damn it, wrong one. Where was it? Right here. I can hit them up and probably black, all parts available. Yeah, I could probably hit them up. That's the same people who tried to sell me that damn wrong wheel for the M. They said they had it. Yeah, these people. Let me see if they got the bumper on this one. Yeah. This is a dude that was gonna charge me $350 for the whole freaking the tail lights. Remember when I was looking for the trunk and the bumper? He was gonna sell me all of this for $350, bruh. Yes, you heard me. The trunk, the tail lights, and the bumper for $350. That would have been perfect. But then we would have just had to have Rich paint it, which I still would have been cheaper in it. Well, let me see. Yeah, still would have been cheaper. I don't see no bumper for this car, y'all. So it's looking like we gonna have to pay to play. What's this? Oh, this is for the Q80? Q60. So no parts found on here for it. So it looks like our best bet is that 250, which might be like 200 depending on, like, cause right online it's 250, but I probably can get it a little cheaper. Like maybe 200, maybe. So let me take the M37S. Let me take the S out of it, see if we find something else. Okay, this one popped up. Look at this. That's silver, nasty. 150,000 miles. Guess how much they want? 13,000. Wow. Can we look at this one? I will have to go look. Whoa. I'm tweaking. I have not been looking at the headlights. I'm tweaking. Let me go back to this. Whoa, we got headlights. Damn. I wasn't even paying attention. So we probably can get the headlights and the bumper off this car. And my stomach making noise. Part out. I like those lights. This that Q70. Ugly wheels though. It's that white. I don't like them black wheels on there. See that tan interior, bruh? Yeah. But alright, y'all see what's going on. We gonna go outside later and see if we can get those, see if those lights move. If those lights don't move, I'm gonna say the other one's lights don't move either. What year is this one? This is 11. I'm pretty sure these lights don't move. The lights probably move on the 13s. A lot of y'all 11, 12, they probably don't move. But the 13s, they probably do. He got the headlights on this one too? Nah. I gotta hit him up, see if he got the headlights. I don't like to hit him up to see if they... I'm gonna just hit him up and see if he got... Let me see. I'm gonna just be like, both headlights still available? Question mark. Alright, so we'll see what he say about that. And we're gonna go outside later and see what's going on with the see if my headlights move. So I'm gonna catch y'all a little later on when it get dark outside.
Alright, let's see if we got adaptive lighting. It's cold. And them lights didn't move, so nah, this car don't got it, bro. This car don't got it. I put it on auto, and it didn't do it, so this car don't got it, bro. So we gonna see tomorrow what this other M go for. I'm gonna go in and call it a wrap for this video, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in as always and rocking with me, man. Let me take this off. I love. Oh snap! I done put my hand over the thing. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in and rocking with me as always, man. I love y'all for y'all support, man. And that's all I can say, man. I love y'all. I don't know if I should buy another one though. Like I already got one. What y'all think, bro? Drop a comment in the comment below, in the comments below, and let me know if I should buy another M37, bro. I already sold one, made some money. This one taking a minute to sell, cause I at least need $500 more for this one for sure. And if it go for the right price, cool. If it go for around, I don't know, cause we just looked at, so I'm probably gonna be like $1,200 worth of parts. So we'll see, but we do see that this one do not got the adaptive headlight thing. So yeah, I don't think the other one gonna have it either. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in and rocking with me as always. I love y'all. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray, man. We hustle daily. Peace.